We are hiking to Brasstown Creek Falls. And now we have some scrambling. There's the first set of waterfall. So you can't really tell, but we're on the side of the hill right now. Right down there, the second set of falls. We were walking through this trail. Well, looks like either the trail ends there, or goes up this way. It's still down a ways. Now we're on our way back. So this is the middle falls. That's where it goes out, where we were just a little bit ago. The cliffs down below. We just came up from there. Now we're traversing that. You can maybe get a better idea. Okay, so this is the top of that middle falls, right there. You can see down. And then, if you look over here, that's the first set of falls. I'm gonna try and find a way to get a better picture. Little guy off the beaten path. Couple little campsites through here. Okay, so you can't really see it. You may be able to make it out in between those trees there. But there's another big waterfall over there that we're gonna try and get to. The only problem is, the only way to get there on that side of the creek is to scale that tree. So we're hoping that there's another trail on the other side, back where we got in. So we'll be back. We fjorded this little creek, actually. It really wasn't bad at all. But we're trying to make our way over to the other big waterfall. And we couldn't find a
dry trail.
Dry trail. Unless we wanted to try and get across those logs or shimmy up that guy and fall down.
Oh, wow.
All right, so we just went over to those falls and we're heading back to the car. So we went looking for another way across the river. That didn't work out. Apparently somebody has put a cable across though, in case you wanted to zip line over. In order to get to the big falls, we had to do this the opposite way. It's a little chilly. Watch out for that rock.
It's intense.